Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am at the Buck booth at the HPBA show in Nashville. It's 2024 and they are offering a brand new cook stove, which I'm super excited to see. This is the Homesteader model. So essentially this is going to be the Buck 21 Firebox. I sell a lot of the Buck Woodstoves. So it's their classic Firebox down here on the bottom. Of course, the gasketed door. Inside the Firebox we do have the fire brick lining on the back, the bottom, the sides. Then we do have, it's basically like the same Firebox stacked twice, which the top portion is going to be your oven. So again, you have a fully gasketed door. This is going to have 3 separate areas for your oven rack. The lowest one being right here on the bottom, and this is your highest rack. You do have a middle rack in between. This model is going to come standard with 2 oven racks inside. So this cook stove is actually going to have 3 different damper controls on here. Down here is going to be your primary air control, and up here is going to be your oven control. So you can see here, pulled out is actually going to be closed and pushed in is going to be open for the air to flow. Now you do have your bypass damper control as well located right here. So you can pull it out, and when you're starting your fire, you don't want to circulate the heat around the oven until, remember, you want that fire burning good and hot for probably at least 30 minutes so you have nice clean smoke. When you go ahead and close that, then you will circulate your heat around the oven to get those nice hot temperatures for baking. Otherwise, you can bypass the oven and send that smoke straight out the flue stack. Now, this is going to be a top vent 6-inch flue pipe. Again, nice thick gaskets. You do have your air wash here. So this is the Buck 21 Firebox, which burns nice and clean glass. Now down we have the bottom control, so pushed in is open, and when you pull out the handle on the side, you can see it actually closes that. So that's going to be your primary combustion air going into the Firebox. Next we have the second damper control. This is your bypass. Again, pushed in is going to be open. Now when this is open, your smoke is going straight up the flue stack. You want it pushed in or open like this when you are starting your fire. You will burn it like this until your fire is hot, probably at least 30 minutes to have good clean smoke. Once you're ready to circulate heat around the oven, you'll go ahead and pull it out, which closes it. You can see, maybe you can see here on the side, there's these little air slots, and that is where your heat is going to go up. It'll essentially travel up the sides of the oven, and that's gonna be what heats up your oven. Now I'm going to show you guys this as well. So they have basically bricks here on the bottom, which is separating the top of the Firebox from the oven. You have, again, 3 levels, bottom, middle, and top for your oven. It's going to come standard with 2 oven controls. Now this top damper is actually to open and close your oven. So when that is pulled out, it's going to be closed. So that's going to keep the heat inside your oven. If your oven is getting too hot, boom, you go ahead and push that in, which is going to open up these air vents, which is actually going to allow heat to dissipate from your oven here. I'm going to show you inside the oven without those papers. So basically it's bricks down there at the bottom of the oven, which is nice because you should get actually probably really good even temperatures with that being fire brick. It does have these nice removable plates as well. So you can see they got a cute little lid lifter, multiple sizes here. If you had a small pot, if you have a larger pot, you can take that out, set it right in the cooktop here, and this is going to give you this hottest temperature because as you can see there's a little air gap here. So if you're doing low temperature cooking, stews, something like that, then you would cook directly on the top. If you need a high temperature, you're boiling water, then you're going to remove these plates and cook in there. Now they do actually give you 2 different sides here of the removable plates, so you can see over here. This is the smaller, which is going to have 2 rings. This is on the right hand side of the stove when facing the front. On the left hand side of the stove over here, you actually have 3 different size options. So you could get a very large pan in here if you're cooking for a big family. So that's really nice to have as well. You can see this is the 6-inch flue here located on the top of the stove. And then as always, I do like to show you guys around the back of the stove because this is a common question. What does it look like? And it's basically just simple black. Definitely wouldn't be an eyesore in the middle of the room. And these are all of your damper controls, all 3 controls located right on the side of the stove. So, Buck stoves are of course made in America, which I love. They have nice thick steel. I've always appreciated the quality of Buck stove as well as the quality of the company itself. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed this overview. If you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.